Today, don't write it anything, just observe it here. Very important. Actually, in a previous class, what I am telling, this is the way I am telling only. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then that user first connect to the client tools. Through this client tools only, they are connect to the server. These client tools, you are interested means always explicit tools, Toad, SQL developer, PL SQL developer, you have to install it. Okay, explicitly don't download from the net and explicitly install it. Okay, so no, practice purpose, they are providing a what? Trial softwares. But SQL plus tool is there, that is a default tool. That tool not required to download explicitly. Once you are installing a Oracle software, automatically the tool is there. Today, how that tool is connected to the where server, I will tell you. Demo, I am telling only, don't write it anything. Now check it out. Observe it here. Very interesting. Actually, what I am telling me is screen observe it. Screen observe it. In every database in the worldwide, in SQL languages side, two important commands are there. One is commit is a TCL command is there. Another one is rollback is there. At least these two commands, how it is working, you must be familiar. Through the SQL plus tool, easily understandable. What is going on, what is commit, what is rollback, easily understandable. Observe it here, that architecture I am drawing a diagram today, then more clearly you are understandable. Not only Oracle, every database also same. I will show you practically. Observe it here. Actually, commit means everyone knows. Commit means what? Anybody have an idea? Very good. In a database SQL language side, in every database SQL, anywhere we are using a commit means that is nothing but a save. What is save means today you are understanding. Diagrammatically and practically also, don't worry. Again, rollback means same like a Windows Control Z you are pressing, no? Yeah, that is like undo only. Undo the transactions. In a database side, either SQL Server or Oracle or MySQL or DB2 or Sybase or Informix, Postgres, Ingress, common commands are commit and rollback. Commit means save, rollback means undo the transaction. What is that one means? Today, I will show you through SQL plus tool and Oracle database through. I will show you diagrammatically and also checking practically. Now check it out. Screen observation. I am also here also thinking, oh, maybe Oracle means Oracle database and a client tools through their connect to the where database server. We are thinking that is not true. Actually, screen observe it. This is original. Slowly observe it here. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically two parts are created, not a single part. Two parts are there. Whenever we are installing a what? Oracle server, then automatically two parts are created. Oracle software means Oracle software you are creating means, then automatically two parts are created. This bottom part in a database also same, but Oracle also. In a bottom part, a computer hard disk, you have an idea? No? Yeah, in a disk only, some files are there. This is called physical database. Really, in this disk, some files are there, control files, data files, read log files, something is there. This is called physical database, really. In a hard disk only, physical database is there. But unfortunately, some commands are executed. Where it will be executed means in a above part is there. No, this is called RAM memory area. This is called instance actually, but first time newcomer purpose. In a RAM memory, I am telling. Here, so many files are available. Data files, control files, read log files, so many files are there. Suppose these are .dbf files. Don't worry, just observe it here, what is going on. .dbf file. data files. Whenever you are creating a table, where the table is storing means in this data files only in Oracle, in a hard disk only. This is called physical database. Here only your tables are storing only. Suppose T1 is a table I'm creating. For example, your imagination like. I will show you practically, but just observe it here. In this T1 table, here some data is there. For example, S number is a column. In this column, here 1, 2, 3, 4 data is there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 data is there, for example. Here so many buffers are there. Here only key concept. Observe here. So many buffers are there. Database buffer, cache, read, log buffer, shared pool. So many buffers are there. Don't worry. Roughly observe. Daily we are interacting with the what? This server by using a tool. Suppose up to now, roughly on idea, SQL plus tool. Here observe it here. SQL plus tool. That is called a client tool. This is a client server architecture. Yeah. Here, how employees or users are connected to where this server by using a what? Username and password. User credentials are required. One of these days I will tell you. Just roughly observe here. Username and password. Your username and password and submit. That is okay button. Okay na? Up to this one, roughly maybe you have an idea. Now what happened? Observe it here. What happened? Observe it here. Very important. One by steps I will tell you. Really, the table is available like that means observe it here. Okay. Now check it out. I'm installing a Oracle software. Okay, already I'm installing. You are also installing next classes side. Don't worry. Whenever, yes, after installation time, after installing a Oracle software, I'm opening SQL plus tool here within database. I'm creating a what? Some table, for example. Create table name T1. T1 is a table. Here, S number is a column. In a future, you are also creating. Now, these are syntaxes. Don't worry. Just observe it here. I try to insert the data. How it will be interacting, I will tell you now. Don't worry, these commands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Commenting the transaction, save. Now, this table is available in a where? Select the star from T1 or T1. Now, the table is available in a where? Hard disk. Okay, na? Yeah. Now, exit. Really, the table is available here or not, I am checking. Okay, na? Here in a hard disk only, that is hard disk only not visible, but here that is available in a disk. This is physical database. Really, once a physical database only that will be there means any number of times we are viewing, otherwise in after 10 days, 20 days after we are viewing also that will be there. Really, that is correct or not, I am checking. Suppose I am closing the session. Okay, yeah, I will reopen that one. Now check it out. That is available or not, check it out. Yes, available. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Again, I am exit. Again, that is available or not, I am checking. Something is there, username and password later you are familiar. Okay, na? Okay, fine. Very good. Sorry. And now here, yes, that is available or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, yeah, makes. Okay, now anybody guess it? Where the table is available? In a disk? Yeah. Now check it out. Here, very interesting story. Suppose here only I'm client tool is there. Yesterday we are starting this a default tool. Just Here some username and password I'm typing. Which user, which password means next class I don't worry. Some username and password, default username and password I'm typing, for example. Okay, yeah. Something is their systems, got so many users you are learning in a next. Don't worry. Now I am pressing a what? Okay button. This client tool connect to the where? This server internally. Okay, yeah. Now I am typing a what? Here, observe here. I want to retrieve this table from Oracle server into where? This client tool, for example, visibility purpose. I'm typing a what? Select star from T1. What happened? Anybody guess it? What happened? How it will be retrieved? Very good. Whenever select star from T1 means you are also thinking nothing is there. This client tool checks the first requested table T1 is available in a where? In a hard disk or not. If it is available means directly it will be retrieve the what? Table from hard disk into where? This client tool only. Then only here automatically displayed we are thinking that is absolutely wrong one. Wrong one. Always this SQL plus client tool or any tool also does not directly interact with the disk. Impossible. Impossible. Actually, what happened means always whenever anybody executing a what C program, Java program, .NET program, these type of programs means suppose C program, you are a first time newcomer, C program is there. Whenever we are executing a C program, where it will be executed in a memory or disk? Tell me. Execution, that is it. Tell me. Whenever you are running a what? Your C program, otherwise Java program, where it will be executed? RAM memory area, disk. Very good. RAM memory area. Executed in a way, RAM memory area. Same like whenever we are typing a what in a command in a way SQL plus tool through in a server. Yes, always those commands are executed in a where? RAM memory area, this part. Now check it out. Slowly observe here. Suppose you are connected to the where server, okay, by using client tool, okay. Now what happened means originally observed here. Suppose I'm connected to the where server. After that one, select star from T1. I'm typing. Whenever requested table T1, we are typing like this only means then the client tool first checks requested table is available in a where? In a memory area here. In a memory area. In a memory here, so many buffers are there. Here, database buffer cache, shared pool, large pool, okay, read log buffer. So many buffers are there. Don't worry. One of the buffer is the database buffer cache here. Okay, something is there. In this buffer, requested table is available or not, it will be checking. Really requested table T1 is available in this buffer? No, not available. For example, not available. Whenever this is not available means T1 is not available means control goes to where? Control goes to where? Hard disk. In a disk only, in a data files only, this table is available or not? A T1 table is available. Now, whenever this table is available in a disk only, then copy of the table is transferred. This is important. Copy of the table, not a original table. Copy of the table is transferred into where? Yes, in your memory area. That's important. Here, not a original table, copy of the table. Whenever requested table is available in a disk, then copy of the table transferred from hard disk into where? Memory area. Process actually internal. These so many fellows are doesn't know. Now observe it here. Now observe it here. Yes, here. Now committed rollback. All the things understandable. 1 minute observe here. Suppose here, and now the data T1 table and the data is transferred from hard disk into memory area. Here only the table is there. Okay, fine, like this. Then only it will be written into where? Written into where? Written into where? Your client to up to this one. Okay. Maybe some fellows are. This is also they are good. Maybe Java developers and all. Now check it out here onwards, totally different. Suppose which one is there? Here S number column, I'm not writing. Place purpose only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to this one, okay? Okay, this one? Yeah. Now check it out. Now what happened? Now observe it here. I will show you practically, but observe it here. One. Yeah. Now here, now observe here. Now I want to change this 1 into 5, this one number into 5. How can I? Anybody Java developers are there? Tell me. I want to change this one is a number is there? No, this one number I want to change into where 5 only. Then we are using a what in a SQL language means in a future update is a command is there. Update, delete, select, insert, some commands are there. Don't worry. I want to change a what here, this one number into where 5 means, then automatically one I'm changing, and practically here one I want to change into where 5, for example. Whenever I'm changing a what 1 into where 5 only, then I am typing a what, which one? How can I change? I'm typing a what, some DML command. What is that one? Update command. 1 minute observe here. Update table name. This is syntax, don't worry. S number is equal to new value 5, where S number is equal to 1. This is a okay syntax condition, don't worry. Update table name person set is there, don't worry. Update table name here, set is a command. Don't worry, these commands only in a future you are also familiar. Where column name is equal to new value, where column name is equal to old value. Some stories are there, don't worry. Yeah. Whenever I am updating a what 1 into 5 means, yes, this update statement is executed where? In a RAM memory area or disk? Only one thing is correct. Maybe guess it. Very good. In a RAM memory area, correct. You are guessing correct. A RAM memory area. Okay. Yeah. Whenever in a RAM memory area, this okay statement is executed here. Database buffer cache is there in our account. Now, frankly tell me, what is the new value here? New value 5. What is the old value here? 1 here. Old value and a new value. Now, new value for the transaction is stored in a where? Some place here. This place only. Very important. This is called a dirty radar. Okay. Yes. New value for the transaction is stored in a where? Some place only. This is called what? A dirty radar. Otherwise, new value. You are remembering this enough. Again, old value. What is the old value is there? 1. Old value for the transaction is stored in a memory area in a some place only. That is called undo area. Okay. But you don't have an idea that much of knowledge only in a way names only. Here, this is a new value. This is a old value. Observe it here. Okay, fine. That's why whenever you are using update statement, delete statement, insert statement, any statements also, the data is transaction is affected in a way RAM memory area. Now, new value for the transaction is stored in a some place that is called dirty radar. Old value for the transaction is automatically stored in a some other place only roughly. Observe it here. That is the undo area. Otherwise, old value. Okay, na? Yeah. Now, observe it here. Very interesting concept. Now, here this value is a what? Dirty radar. Or dirty buffer only. Here, one means undo area. Now observe it here. After DML, this is update, delete, insert is called a DML only. After DML, what happened? Observe it here. This is important. Maybe up to this one also some fellows having idea. Now check it out roughly. And now here observe it here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. And now you are telling me it's really great. Slowly I'm telling. These commands you don't have an idea really. Now tell me, frankly tell me, now here, now imagination, now here. Just after DML in a real-time project side, in a database also, commit is a command they are using, commit. Commit means what? Save. Now, whenever we are using a commit, what happened? Guess it. So many things are there, but one main thing only. Now, what happened? Very good. Whenever we are using a what? A commit command, automatically, new value, which one? Where it is available? Yes, here only. New value is available or not? This new value for the transaction 5 is permanently stored in a where? in a hard disk. This is called a commit. How much is it? Simple. Commit means new value for the transaction is automatically stored in a where? Yes, in a hard disk only. That is save now. Yeah, observe here, observe here. Again, observe here. Commit I am giving. Whenever I'm using a commit command in a database, otherwise what I can say, observe here. Commit command I'm using after DML and set update it after. Here, new value for the transaction, new value for the transaction, how much? 5. This 5 is a dirty rate value permanently stored in a where? Stored in a where? Hard disk. This is nothing but a what? A commit. Commit means new value for the transaction is permanently automatically stored in a where? Disk. That is disk means here database or not physical database. That's why commit means new value for the transactions are automatically permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk only. Okay, na? Yeah. Understood commit? Yeah. Commit means save like. But unfortunately, I don't want to save this one. Suppose in a previous case, 1 is changed into a 5. Maybe the transaction is wrong one. For example, maybe. I want to cancel that previous transaction. Cancel. Not a changing. Cancel. I want to cancel that previous transaction means, yes, again 5 is converted into 1. I want to previous state means, just we are using a what in place of commit. We are using a what? Roll back. Whenever we are using a what? A rollback is a command means what happened? Observe here. That is undo the transaction from memory. That is what again previous transaction only. Yes, I want to undo the transaction from memory. Again that 5 is changed into where? Yes, 1 only. How many? Subject here. Whenever we are using a what? A rollback here automatically. Here observe here. Automatically this one is then old value. This old value is automatically transfer into where new value place. That's why undo means rollback. Sorry, rollback means undo the transaction from memory side. That's why diagrammatically important. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. This one is a value automatically transferred into where? 5 new place. That's why yes, here undo area value is transferred into where? Dirty reader. Here only 1 is there. This 1 is written into where? Yes, this table only here. That's why it is displayed 1. Very important. That's why commit means new value for the transaction permanently stored in a disk. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. That's why rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Okay, na? Yeah. Understood that one? Yes, diagrammatically. Now tell me practically. Practically tell me. Just practically you don't have an idea, but I want that one only because the interesting purpose. Suppose this SQL plus tool is there. Okay. Yeah. Now I am typing a what? Select a star from what is the table name? T1. Now whenever I am requesting a table, how it will be retrieved? Anybody tell me fast again? Last chance. Whenever we are requesting a select star from T1 means yes, first control goes to where? Very good, memory area. In a RAM memory area, it will be checking requested table is available or not. Yes, requested table is not available in this memory area means control goes to where? Hard disk. Memory to hard disk only. In a hard disk, this T1 table is available. Then copy of the table is transferred into where? Yes, here from hard disk into where? Memory area. Yes, this will be displayed. Okay, sorry, this is available in a where? Database buffer cache. In this case, into where? Okay, written into where? Client tool. Automatically 1, 2, 3, 4 is there or not? Again, one I want to change into where 5 only. How can I? So now yes, some update, delete, insert, some commands are there. Don't worry. Yes, one command I'm using means then automatically one is changed into where in that table. Now 5. Now, whenever one is changed into where 5 means, then observe here, concentrate, very important. Yes, here, new value for the transaction, how much? 5. Old value for the transaction, how much? 1. Okay, that is stored in a where? RAM memory area. Okay, na? RAM memory area means database buffer cache, something is there. Okay, don't worry. Now here. Now, new value for the transaction is stored in a dirty reader area in a Oracle, and old value for transaction stored in a where? Undo area. Okay, na? Yeah. Now I want to commit. Commit means this new value for the transaction automatically stored in a where? Stored in a where? This 5 is automatically permanently stored in a where? In a disk. Whenever that is stored in a where disk only, this data and this data is gone. Okay, na? What is happening means that is I will show you in a practically inter questions, right? Don't worry. Again, I don't want to use a commit, just I want to cancel the previous transaction. Again, 5 was changed into where? Yes, 1 only. How can I? Yes, 5 is changed into where 1 means just I'm using a what? Roll back. Here, roll back I'm using. Whenever we are using a roll back, yes, automatically that is undo the transaction from memory. Roll back means automatically, now we are returns a what? Old value for the transaction is written into where? New value into where? Table only. Okay, yeah. Now, correctly tell me, based on your knowledge, correctly tell me. This is SQL plus tool. Okay, through the tool, I am requesting select star from T1. Yes, automatically retro from hard disk into where memory into where this client tool. Okay, yeah. Here internally database is there where it will be there is later client server article. Now check it out. I'm changing a what this 1 into where 5 like this. I'm changing a what this 1 into where 5 only. Now tell me how can I? Anybody SQL programming long knowledge is there. Later you are familiar, but first update table name T1. Don't write it. Okay, so now here set. Here S number is equal to 5. Where S number is equal to 1. Okay, na? Now this transaction where it is affected in a memory area. Update means memory area. Now check it out. Here observe here. Select star from T1 like this. Yes. 5 is there. Now again I want to cancel this 5 into 1. How can I? How can I? Very good. Roll back is a command. Okay, roll back. Roll back means undo the transaction from memory. Diagrammatically I told no. Yeah. And now here check it out. Yes. Again this 5 is changed into where 1 means previous transaction is cancelled. Okay, na? Yeah. Like. Okay, na? Undo the transaction from memory. That's why rollback understood or not? Yes. Now again I'm using a what modification 1 into 5. Again I'm using a what update table name here set as a number is equal to some commands only actually 5 where as number is equal to 1. Now 1 row updated where it is affected in a memory area. Now this 5 is permanently stored in a where hard disk. How can I? Already here. Tell me. How can you store this 5 permanently into hard disk? Very good. Commit is a command. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Here, commit. Whenever I'm using a what commit, what happened? That is stored in a where hard disk only. Select the star from what is the table name is there? T1. Here, 5 is permanently available. Now again I want to change a what this 5 into where 1. Possible or not possible? Now data is available where? In a hard disk only. Very good, correct. I'm exit and now here I'm now check it out. Correctly tell me now. Now select the star from here T1 T1. Yes, here 5 is there, 1 is there. 5. Okay, na? Yes, because committed data. Yeah, 5. Now I want to change. Means cancel. I want to change cancel. Okay, 5 into where 1. Possible or not possible? Anybody? Suppose I'm using a what now roll back. Then now 5 was changed into where 1 or not. Otherwise 5 only there. Only one answer is correct. Anybody guess it? Whenever I'm using a what roll back, then 5 is available or 1 is available. Only one answer is correct. Easy. Guessing is very easy. Very good. One fellow is telling Murali, sir, 5 only available. Correct. 100% correct. Okay, 100% correct. Okay, na? Yeah, roll back we cannot use. Why? Because already saved permanently. Once the saved permanently means here commit means this is saved in a where? In a hard disk, no? Yes, this value is gone. This value also gone. Both the values are gone. Then roll back means undo the transaction from memory means here there is no value. Here also there is no value only. That's why again a 5 is available. Observe here. I'm using a rollback also no use. Once committed the transaction, then we cannot roll back. Now here observe here. Select star from here T1 means which one is there? 5 is there or 1 is there? 5. Observe here 5. That's why once we are committing the transaction in a hard disk, then we cannot get it back. But before commit means yes, we can change what data possible or not. Yes, possible. That is important. That's why these are client server architectures. So SQL plus tool, SQL developer, the transactions are same. But what happened? Okay, so now here, yes, here. One fellow is asking, Murali sir, suppose for example, big mistake, I am giving a what commit, but I want to cancel that one means Oracle 9A onwards, flashback queries are there. That is administrator using only as of queries, timestamp is there, as of queries, SCN number is there, system change number, yes, through that one also they are get it back. That is different. That is not a developer point of view. Okay. Na? Anybody having idea? Any experienced persons are there in a database administrator? Those persons having idea, select star from table name as of SCN number, as of 2 underscore timestamp they are using. Through that one also they are retrieving. That is different. But without commit means you are a developer also, you are retrieving. With commit means we cannot get it back. Okay? Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Again, observe here. Understood this one as at least SQL plus tool through some transaction. What is going on? Yes, here. And now check it out. Actually, yesterday, navigation you are not writing in a window. Suppose next class side you are installing only after and propagation expression. Some stories I will tell you. In that one, you are installing only. Once installing means in a Oracle, in a Windows side, how we are opening SQL plus tool means screen of the start. Okay, that is a Windows side, not a Mac. Okay, yeah. Now here, just start this one. Here where the Oracle is there. Oracle, here absolute here, Oracle. Here only SQL plus tool directly. But this is 19C. But olden days 10G, anybody in your system maybe in a company side 10G, 11G, 12C, those type of softwares are there. Just you are clicking a what, yes, where the Oracle is available. 1 minute. Yes, here we are clicking a what Oracle. After that one, another tab is there. That is S. Okay, so now here application development is a tab is there. In that tab only here application development is there. Another tab is there. Here extra in a olden days version side. Application development is there. Some fellows are asking only, sir, where is the what of SQL plus? I am not being only they are asking. Application development is a tab is there. In this tab only SQL plus is there. You have to check it out. Okay, olden days. Nowadays directly. Okay, don't worry. Okay, anybody having idea in a where already installing, then up to now we are not installing, then I will tell you those all the things. At least the navigation, write it. Yesterday SQL plus tool theory, how an idea? No? Yeah. At least today navigation, right? Oracle 19C. In a Windows 19C side, here start Oracle ORADB home one is there, SQL plus is there. Because after installation, you are checking these all the things. Anybody not attending a what previous classes? Just you have to check it out. Video sessions only through that one easily understandable. First time, no? Oracle ORADB home one, SQL. Okay, actually, what is going on diagrammatically on idea means developer fastly understandable. That's why in a future, so many diagrams I will tell you in our course side. Okay, don't write it, just observe it. Okay, here suppose the indexes are there, how it is working, I will tell you in a diagrammatical manner. Here cursors, how it is working internally. Because once diagrammatically good, here database links are there in a administration point of view, how one database to another database, how their connection they are establishing. Here in a DBMS architecture is there in every database, in that each and every layer, which database objects are there because of chapters only. Okay. Here tree structure is there. Just we are being what here group by class, how it is working, each and every group in a way this query is how it is working. These all the things you are familiar means then yourself, these type of things you are diagrammatically your imagination means oh maybe fastly you are grasping one. Okay, yeah. How SQL loader tools are working here like this. What happened? These all the things in a future you are familiar. Okay, now that's why diagrammatically better to know. Okay, yeah. One of the stage you are also trying those. Finished. Start programs Oracle SQL plus. Next, write it this one. Olden days. This navigation also write it. Oracle 10G, 11G, 12C. Here application development extra tab is there. Start programs Oracle ORADB Form 1. Application development SQL plus. Okay, na? First time no, up to this one is enough. Next class will be on Monday. Monday will continue. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. Thank you. Anybody having any doubt, please ask. Two small sessions are completed. Anybody not admits, just you have to ask management only videos only. Maybe they are sending, I think. You have to observe those videos, easily understand. Okay, na? Monday will continue. Thank you.